a few times after rain, even after wash and polish, you have all this stain. You can just wipe it off for the first few times, but after the next few times, you'll need to polish it back. So I was thinking, if I use the ceramic coating, does it help? We'll just try for the front bumper, see if it's okay. So before I can put on the ceramic coating, I'll need to wash and to clay it and polish it. Comes with this and this. Okay, according to the instruction, it should be used like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'll wipe it off with a damp microfiber towel. Now with a dry one. Normally after polish, I'll feel it's fluffy, powdery, smooth. But after I apply this, you no longer feel the powdery smooth. By appearance, it doesn't look different. 3 days after the coating, that the coating is fully hardened, we'll try on the water beading. The water doesn't stick at all. This is 1 week after, and rainy days, it's still stained. Okay, one wipe. The one without ceramic coating, also stained. One wipe. 3 weeks after, couldn't wait for 1 month. Let's try with one wipe. Oh my god, I thought it's scratch proof. How come there is scratches? And it's not removable. Let's see. One wipe. A little bit stain. Means ceramic coating. It's water beading, easy to wipe. It's not scratch proof.